Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Amankwa Richmond from Ghana. I want to commend Meltwater Entrepreneurial School of Technology. I am glad seeing these two variables which are key in our dispensation, technology and entrepreneurship. Looking at our current trend where unemployment is at its peak, entrepreneurship, technology, backed with capital, I believe will make this world a better place. It can transform lives. This is why I want to be part of this institution where I can bring on board ideas, where I can learn new skill in order to apply and influence, making lives better for other people. Thank you for your initiative. And then I believe with your vision and mission, we are going to move this world forward in a better way through entrepreneurship and technology. Thank you very much.